Hello, I'm Adam, and today I'm going to give you an overview of how the remote power button that is provided with a GridPad 10S is used for switch scanning. There's a video by James on our Think Smart Box YouTube channel which describes how to use your remote power button for independently turning your device on or off, and the link I think can be found below. So the GridPad has two physical switch ports, and they can be found behind one of the rubber bungs on the back of the device. However, physical switches can also be plugged into the remote power button, and there are two switch ports on its edge, and they can be used in exactly the same way. Plug your switches into the remote power button, go to Settings and Switches, and set your switches up in the normal way. And I'm going to show you this now. So I'm now over on my GridPad 10S, and I've plugged my switches into my remote power button. Go to Settings, Access, Switches. Your connection should be set to GridPad switches. And both those switches are now working. Set your switches for either 1 or 2 switch scanning using your preferred configuration. I like to test my switches in the test area. And then click OK. The remote power button uses a radio link and will work over a distance if required. The batteries are hidden away behind a small hatch on the back of the device and require a small Phillips screwdriver to open up. They use standard AAA batteries, 2 of them, and depending on how heavily they're used, they should last for many months. And you can now see, if I press my switch, the switch scanning will start. Thank you very much for watching.